Hi everybody, I'm Jeannie Hill, Cleaning and Organizing Specialist, and I'm really excited to be hosting a challenge on YouTube. This challenge is designed to hopefully reintroduce some of those healthy habits that get pushed to the sideline a little bit when life gets a little hectic and crazy. So hopefully that does that. I'm hoping it'll do it for me because my life has been a little hectic and crazy with the kids and the family and the house and the work and all that stuff. So hopefully that'll help. But anyway, so let's get talking about this great challenge that I'm super excited about. So the first task on this challenge is going to be the kitchen, and I'm going to give you some things to look for to declutter, purge, throw out, and reorganize your kitchen. So these things are going to be: our kitchen sponges are a breeding ground for nasty bacteria. Replace them weekly. Non-stick pans that are scratched up are a must for the toss pile. Your spices are best used before 6 to 12 months, so anything after that, in the toss pile. And sometimes they've served their purpose, but it's just time to retire them. Give me a big thumbs up if you guys are excited about getting some old stuff out of the house. I know I am.